Is your furry friend turning their nose up at mealtime, leaving you with a full bowl and a worried mind? Step 1. The temperature trick. Many dogs find warmed food more appealing. Unlocking those delicious aromas, gently warm their kibble, or even wet food, by placing the bowl in a larger container of warm water for a few minutes. Step 2. Flavor infusion. Sometimes, a little extra taste is all it takes. Try adding a sprinkle of unsalted, low-sodium chicken or beef broth, a dollop of plain yogurt, or even a small amount of cooked, unseasoned meat. Always ensure these additions are dog-safe and in moderation. Step 3. Texture transformation. Is your dog a crunch connoisseur or a mushy fan? Experiment with different textures for crunch lovers. Try slightly toasting their kibble for a few minutes. For those who prefer softer food, add a little warm water and let it sit for a minute before serving. This will soften the kibble. Step 4. Rule out health first. If your dog's pickiness is a sudden change and accompanied by other symptoms like lethargy or weight loss, consult your veterinarian. Underlying health issues could be the culprit, and a vet can help identify and address them. Step 5. Behavioral tweaks and timing. Ensure you're not overfeeding them with treats throughout the day, which can spoil their appetite. Establish a consistent feeding schedule, and if they don't eat within 15-20 minutes, calmly remove the bowl until the next scheduled meal. This can help reset their appetite. Remember, patience and a little experimentation are key. With these simple tricks, you can encourage your picky eater to enjoy mealtimes again, ensuring they get the nutrition they need to thrive.